Hello, this is Slow-Mo Rewind, and I'm going to be lock picking this unknown lock. I'm going to give it some tension, and I'm going to start off by using a rake, a 6-pin rake. Usually you can get anything unlocked by just shaking it up and down, rocking it, raking it. Oh, I dropped my tension rod. Fine, I got another one right here. I'm gonna pick it up. See, now let's try breaking it. Sometimes you just gotta get a couple pins down. There we go. If you're wondering what lockpick set I used the Gozo or Gazo. It cost me around 15 bucks. And I'll be doing videos on the Master Lock, the Brinks Lock, and this other unknown. That's been all. This has been Slow-Mo Rewind, and have a nice day.